Creating customer statements in QuickBooks. Today I am in a sample company file, and let's say you have a regular customer who used to pay on time, but now it's been hit and miss lately. How do you get them caught up? Or one of your customers thinks she's paid you more than she owes. How do you straighten out this account? Both of these situations have a similar solution: QuickBooks statements. QuickBooks statements provide an overview of every transaction that has occurred between you and individual customers during a specific period of time. They're easy to create, easy to understand, and can be effective at resolving payment disputes. So here's the process. On your home screen, you have the statements icon right here, which will open a screen that looks like this. You can also get to statements from going up to your customers drop-down menu and create statements. They'll both get you to this screen here. First, we need to make sure that the statement date is correct so that your statement captures the precise set of transactions that you want. Your statement date would be today's date. Next, should the statement include transactions only within a specific date range? If so, then click the button in front of the statement period from and enter the period's beginning and ending dates by clicking on the calendar graphic. So here and here. If you want all open transactions as of the statement date, just simply click all open transactions as of the statement date. Now we need to choose our customer. You have all customers, which is self-explanatory. It's going to create a statement for all customers. Then you have multiple customers. When you click on this choice, you can click this choose button and you can click the customers that you specifically want to create a statement for. One customer will allow you to just start typing in the customer's name, or you have your customer list drop down and you can click which customer you'd like to create a statement for. Again, there's a drop down list here on customers of type, and you can choose a type of customer such as commercial or residential, and you would have assigned one of these commercial or residential to your customers when you were entering the data in the customer QuickBooks record. And that is located in the additional info tab in the customer record. So let's just jump right in and create one. We're going to go to one customer and we are going to click a customer that we want to create a statement for. So Adam's Candy Shop. Now from here we can press preview. And that's what QuickBooks is actually going to show you what the customer is going to see. So from your beginning date to your ending date, you see all the transactions that have occurred, invoices that have went out, payments that have been made. Your customer's information is in the to, and then of course you have your company's information at the top. Then at the bottom you have your current, you have your 1 to 30 days past due, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days past due, and then over 90 days, and the amount due. This is an easy to read statement. Any customer would be able to look at this and tell what they still owe you. From this screen you can print this form if you plan on handing it to your customer, or you also have the option to print here and email from here if you have your email options set up within QuickBooks. Over in these additional options, you can select different templates. So if you have went in and actually created a template for your statements, you can click that template here. Below that, you can opt to create one statement either per customer or per job. And the rest of the choices are pretty self-explanatory, except for assess finance charges. If you have never done this, then it may be helpful to call the office and arrange for a QuickBooks Pro to work with you on this complex process. But when you are satisfied with all the options you have selected in this window, like I said, just click preview and you can see exactly what your customer will see. Your company's cash flow depends on the timely payment of invoices, and sending statements is only one way to encourage your customers to catch up on their past due accounts. There are many others, like opening a merchant account so customers can pay you online with a bank card or electronic check. And just remember, if poor cash flow is threatening the health of your business, a QuickBooks professional can help you get all of this set up and start getting your customers the information they need to make sure they are staying on top of their bills with you. Thank you so much for tuning in.